Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Chevrolet Equinox, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So for this installation, we are going to need to open the hood just a bit in order to have space to install the tint on the top layer of the headlight. So once this is lifted, we're able to clean any contaminants that the headlight might have. So now that we have the hood lifted, now we can start cleaning the headlight. So just apply Slip Solution, and then with the clean microfiber towel, just start removing any contaminants that the headlight might have. So once it's prepped and ready for installation, just start applying Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution onto the headlight tint. And you're gonna start off by applying it to this edge first. So we just wanna tack it down in position. So once we have it tacked down, you kind of have an idea how it's going to be. So we wanna secure this section first before we start moving to each other section here. So make sure everything's aligned. It has to be right on the curve here. And there is going to be some material, just a little bit, that goes on top of the headlight and tacks down to the curve here. So just make sure you give yourself a little bit of material to cover the top here. So this should be good. And then just always double checking, making sure everything's aligned. So once we have it here, apply Tack Solution, hold it in place, and then start tacking it down. That way we can start with the alignment on each side. So make sure this spot is secured before you move on with the rest. And now that we have this section tacked down, we start with this one. So just lift it, make sure it's aligned right on the bottom, and it follows the alignment of the headlight. Lead it up to the edge, make sure everything's still aligned. Once you have it aligned, start tacking it down. Just apply Tack Solution to make sure you hold it in place when you're tacking down. And now that we have this section secured, do the same thing with this one, but the only difference is with this one, it is just a small curve. How you're going to go about it is making sure we align it section by section and tack it down. So it's going based on the alignment of the headlight here. And we start tacking it down. Make sure to apply Tack Solution to help the adhesive activate faster. Align it, tack it down, and then this material here, this edge here, you are going to need to stretch just a bit, so hold it in position and tack it down. And to help, like I said, the adhesive activate faster, lift the film and apply Tack Solution, hold it in position and start tacking it down. And then we're just bringing down the rest of the film down to match the alignment of the headlight here. So tack down. And just always make sure it's still aligned. Apply Tack Solution and just hold it in place and tack it down. Okay, so to finish off the installation, we still have to make sure we secure the top layer of the tint. To secure it, apply Tack Solution, and then with heat and a microfiber towel, just go on top and start tacking down the top layer. So for the fog light installation, we're going to start off by applying Slip Solution and just align it right on the top edge here. So it's only going to cover the top layer surface. Reason being because right here, there is a deep curve going inside. So the tint will only cover the front layer surface here. Have it aligned right on the top edge. Help it form to the fog light here. And apply Tack Solution to start helping it tack down. And then all we're doing is just helping it align right to this side first. So once you tack this top piece, keep going, tack it down. So it should be like this. Once you have it aligned, apply Tack Solution and start tacking this section down. Hold it in place, that way it doesn't move. Secure it on top first, and then work your way installing it up down here to make sure it's aligned. And start tacking down little by little. And you're just helping align the film here. So if you need to lift and align it, you can. And then you just squeegee down the rest on this end. And with this one, we're only covering up to this section here, because since this part doesn't have much coverage or doesn't have much area to work with, the film won't tack down, so it will cover just up to here. So just apply tack solution and start tacking down the fingers and just help tack down the bottom piece here. So once you finish installing both the headlight and the fog light on your vehicle, the last thing to do is just post heating all around. So to post heat, just apply tack solution, and with your heat gun and microfiber towel, just go all around and start sealing the edges and just helping the adhesive on the film activate faster. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.